If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to quickly factory reset your AirPods and AirPods Pro. First, disconnect your AirPods from your Bluetooth list. Next, put AirPods back in charging case, and place your AirPods inside the charging case and close the lid for at least 30 seconds. This will ensure your AirPods can recharge a little and have enough battery to connect to the case. Next, press and hold the setup button to complete the reset. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.